Trot on. Good girl. Trot. Good girl. Trot on. Ugh. Other direction. Turn around. Good girl. Lovely. Trot. Trot on. Good girl. Trot. And hip. A canter. Good girl. Up. Good girl. Turn. And canter. Good girl. Lovely. And walk. Walk on. Walk on. Walk on. Out. Walk on. Out. Good girl. Walk. Walk on. Good girl. Oh, she's too good. And whoa. Facing in. Oh. Yeah, good girl. Great job. Great job. Rightio. Stay in the yeah, stay. Back. Back. Stay. Stay. Good job. Lovely staying. Great job at staying still. What a clever lady you are. What's a clever girl. How are you feeling about this? You okay? Good girl. Stand. Just relax. Yeah. Right, just stand. Good girl. Yeah. It's okay. We're just taking our time. Come on. Up. Not this one. This one we don't need. Holy crap, that's bad. I'm not getting on you like that. Hold on. Ain't good. Yep. Good job. So you just go to show, I just pulled this damn thing out of her. Where is it? This was stuck up in her hoof crack. Imagine that, if you're riding on that. So, you never know. That's why it's good to check for anything that's looking lame or not looking right. I'm going to ask her to go for a little trot first to make sure that that's not going to cause any issue. Yep. I'll go this side first. Yep. Up. Walk on. Good girl. I don't know how you were able to trot before with that thing in your foot. A bit silly. Good girl. Good job. And this is the side that if she's going to play up, she'll play up on this side. Whoa. Good girl. Hey, walk on. And whoa. Good girl. And whoa. I'm going to jump down just to see how she goes with that. Okay. And see what she does when I decide I'm going to hop on the opposite side. This side. offside. So I think I just got on the onside, now I'm getting on the offside. Okay, back one, back. So we've got our feet nice where they've got to be. Good girl. Oh, we're having troubles with these flybies. I know. They're no good, are they? Was it this side I got on? Did I get on this side? I have no idea. Well, I'll do both sides. Hop on again. Actually, this is the side that I got on. So I'll get off on this side. Good girl. Oh, says yeah. We did do that side. So we'll go on this side now. We'll do this side. And stand. Alright. 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 Yeah, flies are going to go up your nose. It's only going to be a moment. We're not going to take long. Good girl. Yeah, being silly, aren't they? They're being silly, those flies. Don't want them up our nose. Giving us a fright. We don't want that. No. There we go. Good girl. We're going to walk on this way. From over here. Good girl. Lovely job. Good job. Good job. And whoa. Good girl. And that's really good. Okay. So that's all I'm going to do today. I'm not going to do anything else because she did have that thing in her foot and I don't know if that's causing a problem or not, but we're going to just let her off today with a little bit of work. And that's it. She says, thanks, Mum. It's enjoyable. My nerves are a bit iffy today, so even though she's doing really well, I'm kind of a little bit reluctant. I'm thinking about getting a different girth on here, or one with a bit better sort of a little bit more gentle on the mare's bellies. Yeah, a bit gentle on the mare bellies. She does a really good job. Good girl.